You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 3/2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by x-2. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 3/2.